Hi, in this video you'll learn how to create online quizzes directly in iSpring Learn. Add quizzes to your courses and use different types of questions to assess your learners' knowledge. Collaborate with teammates to make the process faster and more efficient. When your quiz is ready, simply enroll your learners. These quizzes work on any device so they can take them wherever they are. After learners complete the quiz, you can track results in detailed reports. Okay, let's dive in. Begin by selecting the course you want to add a quiz to. Click Add, then select Online Quiz. We'll start by setting up a title screen for the entire quiz. Here you can name your quiz, and below that you can type instructions. For example, you can explain what the quiz covers, how many attempts are allowed, and the passing score. Down here, you can add an image or video to the title slide of your quiz. Perfect. Now let's add some questions. You have 5 types of questions to choose from: multiple choice, multiple response, short answer, sequence, and matching. Let's add a multiple choice question. Enter the question and answer options, then mark the correct one. Great! You can easily switch between multiple choice and multiple response right here. To make your quiz more engaging, you can add an image or a video. Just click here to upload a file from your computer or insert an image URL. Let's go ahead and upload an image. Below, you can add feedback for correct or incorrect answers. Your learners will see this after they answered the question. If you choose any answer, the feedback will be the same regardless of whether they were right or wrong. For graded questions, choose Correct, Incorrect to let learners know how they did. If their answer is correct, they will receive positive feedback like "Good job" or "You got it right." If incorrect, you can share tips on how they can improve. You can add different types of questions to make your quiz more engaging. Multiple choice and multiple response questions are great for reinforcing knowledge. Short answer questions give insight into how learners think. Sequence questions work well for timelines, while matching questions are perfect for pairing terms with their definitions. Now I've added a couple more questions to the quiz. Looks great. Now let's look at the results screen, which appears when the quiz is completed. Here you can customize what learners see. If you don't want to show quiz results, you can hide them. Select Hide Results to prevent the results slide from displaying pass or fail outcomes. You can also use this slide to thank learners for completing the quiz. For graded quizzes, select Passed, Failed in the menu. Here you can enter the title and the message users will see once they've passed their quiz or failed it. That's it. Everything looks good. We just need to adjust a few settings. At the top, you'll find the Settings menu. Under Main Settings, you can select the number of attempts learners have to pass the quiz, set the passing score, shuffle the questions, and set a time limit. You can also choose whether to show the correct answer and display feedback after the learner makes a selection. The option below allows you to shuffle answers, presenting them in a random order. This helps make your quizzes cheat-proof. Now, head over to the design page to customize the appearance of your quiz. You can select an accent color and choose your preferred fonts. You can also save your selections as the default theme. Under the More tab, you can adjust the layout and text direction. This is especially useful if you are creating a quiz in languages like Arabic or Hebrew. Nice! Now we just save the changes. Let's check out the final result. You can preview your quiz here. Looks pretty good, right? Okay, now that we're all set up, let's publish the quiz. If you don't publish your quiz, it will be saved as a draft and learners won't be able to take it. If you want to use this quiz in another LMS, you can export it in SCORM or XAPI format. To do this, select the LMS profile here and click Export. In iSpring Learn, you can team up with your colleagues to create quizzes. You can invite them to review your project or grant them access to the course. First, select your course from the content list. Then, click Collaborate and add your teammates there. Okay, your quiz is ready. Enroll users in the course with your new quiz just like you normally would. Once learners complete the quiz, you can check their performance in the reports. To view it, go to Reports and select where it says Quizzes, Surveys, Role Plays. Find your quiz in the menu and you'll see the outcomes. To view individual learner results, click Learner Progress. This will open the report. Here you can see whether learners passed, their scores, and how much time they spent on the quiz. If you want, you can click on the status over here and get more details of how a particular person answered all the questions. That's it. Thanks for watching. You're now all set to create fantastic online quizzes.